Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Isaac Tech. Just gotta show you a few mods over here on the Nexus 5. First thing I did is I don't like soft keys or navigation keys, whatever you want to call. I don't like them, so I took them off. Completely. I got no navigation keys. Instead, I got pie that I can evoke from anywhere on the screen, pretty much. I can use the multitask menu and the back button as well. The reason I did that is pretty simple. Nice 1080p 5-inch display. I want to use the full of it, everything. Let me show real quick right here what, for example, Google Chrome look like. Let's go here to Yahoo. You see there's no navigation bars, there's no status bar. If you swipe from top to bottom, you can see the status bar real quick right there, and then it goes away by itself. But when it comes down to navigations, it's completely out, so I can get my full 5-inch screen going on. Another thing that I took it off because I don't like it on the screen is the search bar, but still works. The maps, it's also full screen. I got no status bar, no navigation bar, none of that. You pay tons of money for a 5-inch display, and then you got the navigation keys and the status bar, big status bar right there. They eat up the screen. I give you an example here on look at how cool it looks. Flipboard, how big it is, full 5-inch display, 5-inch screen being used on the Nexus 5. And let me show you real quick that this is a Nexus 5 right away. Go to settings real quick right here, and when you go to about, there you go, Nexus 5, Android 4.4.4. Didn't want to do the Android L yet because I love exposed framework, and that's what I use for my mods. I don't use different launchers, I use exposed framework. And let me show you my modules here. That's the modules that I like. When you go to expose installer, and when I go to the modules, that's all I use. App settings, which allows me to put all the apps, pretty much the apps that I want, into immersive mode, which is full screen, by the way. No navigation bar, no status bar. Well, the navigation, I went to the core of Android, the build pro, and then I deleted with the command. So yeah, that was a little different, but at least the app settings hide the status bar. There's a few things that you can do there too, as far as resolution or not. Gravity box, one of my favorites. There's a lot of options right there. One of the things that I did is for example, I pretty much centered the clock. As you see, my clock is centered. Unicorn, it's the reason why I got those cool icons that I like it, the way I like it. And I'm gonna show real quick right here. See, the icons are different than regular Android icons. You can reorganize the grid on the screen, so you can put the icons pretty much anywhere you want, right? Different than other phones. You can play around with icons. You have to put them whatever they tell you to put them. It's easy. You can reorganize them as you want. You can make folders transparent. Pretty much cut the title of the icons under the icons. I do that. Also under exposed framework, we got the exposed gel settings, and this is what actually allow me to hide the Google search bar. So another thing that it does is you can notice that my background wallpaper don't move, right? And usually it moves with the Nexus 5. That's another setting that you can modify. Gotta get root privileges, and then once you do, then you can install other stuff like that and make it look cool. And that was a quick video right here, guys. There's a few other shortcuts that I would show you if I was in just screen recording, but because I'm screen recording, that's all I can show you for now. Let me know what's up. Let me know if you like it. And this is what's up. This is a rooted Nexus 5 with exposed framework. Peace.